EasyTronic helps workshops easily meet the evolving challenges of modern vehicle technology. So let's see it in action in a workshop. The mechanic needs to work on an electric vehicle. Opening his personalized screen with his single key ID, he chooses the correct vehicle from a broad vehicle database to enable the diagnosis function. He can now quickly and easily read out the overall state of health of the high-voltage battery from the control unit. To get support when performing special tasks, such as updating the ECU, he relies on the Remote Diagnostics Service. This connects him with Bosch experts who remotely perform diagnosis directly on the vehicle. Meanwhile, his colleague needs to perform a service reset on a vehicle with diagnostic access protection. She opens the EasyTronic's intuitive new home screen, where she can select the tasks that need to be performed. The central integrated and standardized SDA solution helps her gain authorized access to all the data she needs for a comprehensive diagnostic solution. To get more information on an issue, she can access the original manufacturer documents of the participating vehicle brands, where she finds the vehicle's original repair instructions, wiring diagrams, and installation descriptions, using data that comes directly from the car's manufacturer. Now she has everything she needs to get the job done. The next generation of electric and hybrid vehicles causes no concerns for this workshop. With EasyTronic in your toolkit, you are ready for the future.